Hello and welcome to another fascinating opportunity. Today we are looking at a university in the United States with free application for both undergraduate and graduate studies. They also offer automatic scholarship for undergraduate applicants and graduate assistantship positions for graduate applicants. Interesting, right? The beautiful thing is that this university has 87% acceptance rate, which means that for every 100 applicants, 87 gets accepted. In this video, I will take you through this university, show you how to apply for free, how to search for courses, and how to apply for the scholarships. If this interests you, then hit the like button because this will help our channel to grow. Also join the family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you do not miss future opportunities, because this is the homeland of international opportunities. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google. You want to type in University of Southern Maine. Hit on the search button, and right here you can see the very first result, University of Southern Maine. You click on this. Welcome to the beautiful website of the University of Southern Maine. The next thing we want to do is to hit on the apply button at the top right corner. This takes you to the admission office page. Right on this page, you will find links that will take you to the undergraduate program application, the graduate program application, and the certificate program application. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find right here, all applicants apply for free. Undergraduate applicant SAT and ACT test scores do not influence our admission decision. And also, graduate studies applicant GRE and GMAT test scores do not influence our admission decision. Interesting. Before we continue to look at the application process and requirements, let's first of all clarify the English proficiency requirement. Applicants whose first language is not English. If your first language is not English, you may be required to provide test scores or credentials for English language proficiency unless you hold a degree from an English-speaking institution. This clarifies it. If your first degree was in English, then you do not have to provide an English proficiency certificate like IELTS or TOEFL. Right now, I will take a look at the graduate program application, the requirement, as well as the scholarships. And later in this video, we'll take a look at the undergraduate program application, the requirements, how to apply, as well as the scholarships. Feel free to skip to the part that interests you. If you click on the graduate program application, it takes you to this page where you can find all you need to know about graduate admissions, applications, requirements, as well as scholarships. So just stick with me as I take you through this. Right on this page, you can find different buttons that would help you in what you're looking for. And if you come down a little bit, you can see graduate degree application process. And right here, you have different menus. Right here, you have different menus that will give you information on how to apply. The first thing you want to do is to check out the application requirements. If you're interested in the master's program, then you want to hit on this plus sign right here, and you can put in the program that you are interested in and click on the go button. This will give you all the requirements for that particular course. And if you're interested in doctoral degree, then you want to hit on this other button and you can put in the course that you're interested in and click on go, and the same thing applies. I will teach you how to search for the courses available in this university in a moment. But before that, let's review the international application requirement. So apart from the program specific requirements, for every international student, these are some other requirements that you have to fulfill. In addition to standard application materials, international students must also provide the following materials before the application will be reviewed. You also need to provide documents such as financial documentation that shows you are able to support your educational and living costs. So if you click on the link right here, it's going to take you to that documentation and all you need to know about it. You also need to submit an official evaluation of your college level transcript approved by this body right here. So if you click on this link, it's going to show you all you need to know about evaluating your transcript. Right now, let's talk about how to apply for admission. If you come down a little bit on this page, you can find right here, send us your admission materials. It is very easy to apply to this university. There are two ways to apply. You can either apply by postal mail submission. This means that you have to send all your documents to this postal address right here. Another way and the easiest way to apply to this university is to use the electronic submission. And to do this, all you need to do is to send all your materials, all the application documents to this email address right here. And this would include your essays, your resume, and also other additional supporting documents depending on the course that you are applying to. You can see right here, official transcripts and recommendation letters must be emailed to us directly from the institution or the author. So you cannot send these documents by yourself. They must be emailed by whoever is writing the recommendation letter, and then your transcript has to be emailed by your university that you've attended. Then every other document you can email by yourself. Right now, I will teach you how to search for programs in this university. What you need to do is to click on the top menu and you go to academics. On this page, you can easily search for the program that you are interested in on this search button, or you can come down right here and use this filter to search for courses. So if you are interested in a master's program, you want to click on masters, you can come down right here and click on show my results. This will give you all the master's degree that are available in this university. You can check through them and you can also go to the next page to see more. Also make sure that you are applying for in-person if you intend to move to the United States to complete your program. Right now, let's talk about the graduate assistantship scholarship in this university. To get to the graduate assistantship page, what you have to do is to come to the left hand side where you see menu. You want to click on the drop down button, and then if you come down on this page, you can see scholarships and you can also check that out. But what we want to check out right now is the graduate assistantship, and that is it right here. So I'm going to click on it and it takes us to this page where we can read more about the graduate assistantship opportunities. So there are different types of these opportunities. We have graduate assistantship, we have graduate research assistantship, we also have graduate teaching assistantship. So make sure to read through to get more information. Right here, you can see how much you get as a graduate assistant, and for a full-time position, you get up to $9,000 per academic year. You can also see that most graduate assistants receive a scholarship or tuition assistance in addition to the monthly stipend. It is also very important to check the eligibility criteria for these positions, and that's what you can see right here. Make sure to read through, and you need a minimum GPA of 3.0, that is out of 4.0. If you come down on this page, you can also see how to apply, and if you click on the drop down menu, you can see how you can apply for these positions. There are different ways to apply for the graduate assistantship position, and that is what you can see right here. The easiest way is to notify the admission body that you are interested in this position when submitting your application for admission. This is very simple. You're going to find an option to indicate if you are interested in a graduate assistantship position or not. So what you have to do is to indicate your interest. Another way to apply is to check the Office of Graduate Studies website, where you can find different assistantship positions and apply to them. And the third way is to contact your faculty advisor to inquire about potential graduate assistantship opportunities in your academic area. Right now, let's take a look at the undergraduate program application. If you click on that link, it takes you to this page where you can see all you need to know about application for undergraduate admission. Right here, you can see a link to find a counselor, and then you can see a link that shows you where to send your application materials to. If you also come down on this page, you can see important links right here like admission deadlines, financial aid deadlines, then some other information about no application fee and standardized test scores. You can also see application requirements for first year applicants and other types of applicants. If you come to admission deadlines, you can see right here that we accept and review applications throughout the year on a rolling admission cycle. But I would strongly advise that you submit your applications before the deadlines in the table below if you want to be considered for financial opportunities. Next thing you want to do is to check the application requirements. And if you are from the United States, you can check the first year applicants. And for international students, we are going to look at the international applicants requirements. If you click on that, it's going to show you what you need to know as an international applicant. For international undergraduate applicants, you will need the following documents: completed application form. To get this application form, you just have to go to the top of this page. If you go right at the top, you can see the download paper application button right here. If you click on it, it's going to download the application form you can fill and submit. You need your official transcript as well as your completed personal statement. Also check out the additional requirement, as you also need to provide financial documentation. If you click on this link, you can find out more about how you can show this, because you have to show that you are able to support your educational and living costs. Also, if you're applying with an international college transcript, you have to evaluate this transcript using this body right here, National Association of Credentials Evaluation Service. If you click on this link, you are going to get more information about how to go about this. Here are some important deadlines that you need to take note of depending on when you would like to start your studies. So how do you apply for admission? It is quite easy. Send us your admission materials, and there are two ways that you can do this. It can either be by post. This means that you have to send all the necessary documents to this postal address, or the easiest way to send your document is to use the electronic submission. And with this, you have to email all your documents, including your essays, the resume, and any other supporting documents to this email address right here. And that is all you need to do. And after that, you are going to receive further information on how to access a portal where you can continue to monitor your admission. Right now, let's take a look at how to search for programs available in this university. What you need to do is to come to the top menu and you go to academics. Once you get to academics, what you have to do is to click on this search button. You can put in the name of the course that you are interested in and hit on the search button. Another way to do this is to come down right here. What you want to do is to use this filter right here. You can click on undergraduate majors, and also make sure to select in person if you're interested in coming over to the United States. And once you have done that, you hit on show my results. This gives you a list of undergraduate programs that are available in this university. You can take a look at them and choose a particular course that interests you. You can also go to the next page to find out more. The last part of this video is showing you how to search for scholarships for undergraduates. So what you want to do is to come over to the left hand side. What you want to do is to click on the drop down menu right here and look for scholarships. And right here we can find scholarships. You click on that, it takes you to the scholarship page. On this page, what you need to do is to come down a little bit. Where you see find scholarships by student type, you want to select first year students and click on search. This gives you a list of different scholarships that you are eligible for, and also the application deadline. And the very first one that interests me right here is the Presidential Scholars Award, and this is a merit-based scholarship. All qualified incoming first year students are automatically considered, and you can see the award range right here, and the deadline is April 1st. You can also check out all other scholarships on this list. I think the list is really long. Hey guys, so that will be it for this video. If you've gotten any value, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you are not a subscriber. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so that you do not miss future opportunities. You might want to watch this next video showing on the screen if you are interested in studying in Germany with a fully funded scholarship with no application fee. Your tuition fee is fully covered. You get about 1,200 euro monthly. You do not need IELTS, and you can travel with your family. Click on the video right now showing on the screen, and I will see you in that video.